Hello, in front of me I have MISFIT Vapor 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon. This is the power saving mode icon, and to enable the mode simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled, and that's how it looks like. You have the access to time, the date, and the battery level. And if you want to exit the power saving mode, you need to press the side button, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and after a couple of seconds the watch will go back to the normal mode. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.